Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 12.3 first problem. So this is our given diagram. We need to find the area of the shaded portion. Children listen, before start the problem we need to know the very basic things. So that's I am going to share it here. If you have any circle if you are drawing a diameter, with the use of the diameter, if you make angle, definitely this angle will be 90 degree. Wherever you are making the angle, that will be the 90 degree. So we have a property like angles on the semicircle are always 90 degree. So this is the first rule, you must know that. So why I am sharing here means, here RQ is a diameter. With the use of the RQ only this angle P is formed. So we can say that this angle P is definitely a right angle. They didn't mention in the question, but you must know that the angle formed by an diameter will be always a right angle. So now P is a right angle. So we can say that PQR is a right angle triangle. So that is our first, what we are proving is angle P is equal to 90 degree. So triangle QPR is a right angle triangle. So right angle triangle, why I am stressing means, we need to find the sides by using the Pythagorean theorem. So QPR is a right angled triangle, we can say it's a right angled triangle. So in this one, which is a hypotenuse side, we should find out. So the side which comes opposite to the 90 degree. So this is my 90 degree. So this is my opposite side. So RQ is my hypotenuse side. So I can write it RQ squared, hypotenuse squared is equal to side squared plus side squared. So one of the side is PQ, the another side is RP. So PQ squared plus RP or PR squared, anything we can write it. Now coming back to the question, now PQ is given as 24, PR is given as 7. Now here what is given, PQ is 24, so 24 squared plus PR is 7, so 7 squared we should write it. Now 24s are we need to find out. So 24 multiplied by 24, so directly by this method, 4 4s are 16, balance 1, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 16 plus 1 17, balance 1 5. So 576 we are getting, 576 plus 49, so 7 squared value we are getting 49. So 5, balance 1 8, 12, balance 1 6, 625 we are getting. So RQ squared is equal to 625. From this what we are reaching is RQ is equal to 25, because 25s are 625. So RQ squared is 625 means the square, if you take into other side, square root actually. So this is root of 625. 625 is coming to 25. Here all the units are mentioned in the centimeter. So RQs also will be centimeter only. Now let's look at the diagram now. Now actual question is, find the area of the shaded portion. The shaded portion is nothing but, from the area of the semicircle we need to subtract this triangle, then remaining will be the shaded region. From the semicircle we have to subtract this triangle, that is the shaded portion. So we have to write it for all the problem what we are finding. So area of shaded portion is equal to, area of the shaded portion is equal to area of the semicircle, and minus area of right angle triangle. So area of the triangle QPR, this triangle we have to subtract. Now area of the semicircle, what is the area of the semicircle formula? Semicircle pi r squared. For semicircle it will be pi r squared by 2. Circle pi r squared, you all know that. For semicircle it's half of it, so pi r squared by 2 we can write it. Minus area of the triangle, triangle formula half into base into height we can write it. Now this one separately we'll find out, then we'll come to the first equation we can find out very easily. First let us find out area of the semicircle. Area of the semicircle equal to pi r squared by 2, square units. Always don't forget to write the units, square units you have to mention. So pi value 22 by 7 we know that. multiple by r value. Let's look at the diagram. So look at the diagram. First we need to find out what is the radius of the circle. To find the radius, we know the diameter already because RQ is our diameter. RQ value we got it 25. So the radius will be in diameter, half of the diameter is a radius. For radius we have to take 25 by 2. That is the R value of the circle. So that is the value we should use it for the radius. So here I am just writing it. Diameter is equal to 25 centimeter and definitely radius equal to 25 by 2 centimeter, we can say that because radius equal to diameter by 2. So let's substitute here. R squared, R value is 25 by 2 multiple by 25 by 2. 2 times we should write it. This is pi value, this is R squared and divided by this 2 should be written here. Without forgetting, please write it. Now this is square unit. Now we have to complete this by cancellation. This 1 time, 11 time. Again, if anything to cancel, we can cancel or we can multiple. This is 11 multiple by 25. 25s are 625 divided by denominator we have 7 2s are 14. Here we have denominator 2 by 1. If you bring it to the numerator, it will become 1 by 2. Now we have 625 into 11 by 28. So here we are going to multiply with 11. 11 multiplication is very easy. First write the number 5. Then add 5 plus 2, 7. Then add 2 plus 6 is 8. Then write this 6. That is the value of the 11 table multiplication. It's very easy. 14 2s are 28. Don't waste your time on just a cancellation. You just keep as it is. This is your square centimeter. This is the area of the semicircle. Next we are going to find the area of the triangle. So area of the triangle is equal to area of the triangle. We have a formula half into base into height. So half into base into height. Base and height, what is the value? We'll check in the diagram now. Now look at this diagram. Which is base, which is height, we need to find out. So this is a right angle triangle. So where the 90 degree formed, this line is called as a height. So PQ is a height. So RP is the base. So this is a base and this is your height. So RP is nothing but PR. PR is 7. Height is PQ is 24. Both are given in the question. So 7 and 24 are base and height of the given triangle. So here we can write it 7 and 24. So we can cancel it 1 time. This is 12 time. So 7 12s are, it will be 84. Area also will be in the square unit. So square centimeter we can write it. Now actually our final question is find the area of the shaded portion. So area of the shaded region or shaded portion is equal to, shaded portion will be from the semicircle we have to subtract the triangle. That is our formula. So 6875 by 28 is the area of the semicircle value. We got it here. From the semicircle we have to subtract the triangle. It's 84. Denominator nothing is there. Let us take it as 1. Now we have to take the LCM. So for 28 into 1, 28 will be the LCM. This number will come as it is. Minus, this is 84 multiplied by 28 we are getting. Now this is 6875 minus. So after multiplication you will be getting 2352 as the answer for 84 and 28 divided by 28 now. So here the subtraction value we are getting 4523 divided by 28. This is square unit. This problem is very lengthy, so they stopped the answer up to this. If you have time, you can cancel and write it, or else you can leave as it is also. They will be giving the full mark to you because this is a book answer given to you. Only the first problem is lengthy. All the remaining sums are very easy to you. So we can try the next problems. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.